Okay, hi, it's me, Denny Daniel of the Museum of Interesting Things, and we're doing our last box opening of the night. Let's see how many I have in here. I've got, excellent, there's 4 packages and 2 humans, so we have enough. So I'm going to, and I've got the amazing Amy who did contortion here tonight, so if you ever need contortion, this is the human to ask. She is not good, she's the best. She's done Coney Island and every place in the world. And of course Oliver, who is brilliant and amazing and probably almost a part of almost every organization, steampunk to sci-fi to comic book. He's brilliant beyond belief in all things and organizes lots of cool things. So the 2 of them are going to do their box opening today. Dear friends.
No, I used to work for the Museum of
So
Art.
we're gonna mix these up like a show game.
Okay.
And then pick what you want to open. That one, excellent. And here are your staples. Just try not to cut each other.
Oh.
Or Louisa the camera person. That's Louisa the camera person.
Hello. Have to be in voice only.
Being a fan of horror films, he's cutting towards his belly.
It's true.
But what's coming out?
In the hope that he cuts himself.
That's true.
Seen alien.
Yeah, right.
It's like a shielding. Otherwise known as fat.
Is that what that is on Star Trek? It's fat around the Enterprise.
Another castle.
Ooh.
And a beautiful box for it too. So this is Eugene Castle's digest of, The Railroad Story. A very cool film actually.
Uh-huh.
And this is a short version. I have like the large version of this also. So this is the baby version. So Amy opened up, of course, because you're just one big baby.
Right.
And you opened up the baby version of Railroad. That's a really cool one.
Yeah, that's great. Well, I love these castle films. Yeah.
Do you? Oh,
Yeah.
you know them, I think. Yeah. So this would be kind of the blockbuster of the time back then, or Netflix. You would buy Castle Film off their catalogs, which I have a bunch of their
And
catalogs.
then play them at home.
Right, yeah, this was your VHS. So what did you open?
This is to go with your cable.
Cable? Oh, is this transatlantic cable thing?
Yeah.
Postcards or something?
Yeah,
Wow.
well, my guess is that's what it says. It's
Oh,
a
that's
certificate. It's 5 certificates of authenticity,
Oh, wow.
or 3, or something like that.
Oh, they sent this to me separately. I was wondering what these were. So I actually have a whole bunch of copies, a whole bunch of cables from the location where the cable went from America to England. This is the
Wow.
location in England. And these are my certificates of authenticity for the cables, which are, that package was opened ages ago.
Right.
And they sent this separately. Actually, this is kind of, we should have you open a second one, because this is kind of a half package.
Okay.
So whenever people open a half package, I always have them open a second package, just
I
in
think
case.
it's
only
a
fair.
whole package. It's just small.
It's the other half of a package that was opened probably several years ago. That one? Okay. I notice you like that.
unless you want me to open the film.
No, you have to open where your heart goes.
I-
Not me.
That's a dangerous proposition. Go
I know.
on.
I'll do it away from me this time.
And I'm assuming the package is protected because it looks like it's got cardboard.
Yeah. It was entirely away from me since I was holding the blade.
Where's the fun in that?
That's what I said.
That is what he
Hey,
says.
come on. You guys know I'm human paying attention.
I've seen him dressed as the word no one can pronounce.
I think I've danced with that guy.
Oh,
Thank you,
Lovecraft.
Dan.
Yes, I love
It's a
Lovecraft.
thing from eBay.
So,
You want me to open that, please?
of course you do. Of course you should. So, go for it. I'll take that out since this is too big for the remote. I'll open up though. I can't, I don't have any glasses. No. We don't want to cheat? Okay, I'll cheat. Just so I know.
Say another postcard.
Oh, what do we get? Oh my God,
That's right.
that
It's
is,
another suffragette thing.
it's another suffragette kind of thing, but this is a really bizarre one and a
Show
rare
it to
one.
us, yo.
Look at how crazy that one is. I was like, yeah, we need to have this in the collection because it's just so
Okay, now.
weird. Isn't that crazy? That is a completely nutty something. That is a very cool one.
So who sends it and to whom?
I know, right? Who sends a thing like that? Like, hi, having fun in England, you know, having fun in America. Like, really?
This could get
Doesn't
you
look like
arrested
it.
now.
I would have guessed differently. Yeah, that's a very
This could
cool
get you a
one.
restraining order.
I know, exactly. That's what that's for. That's kind
I
of.
should send one of those.
That's really, this one's perfect for you because being
Sure.
that you love horror films and all that kind of stuff, actually this completely works for you. If you were to open up a suffragette one, this is
Yeah,
Oliver.
absolutely, because it
if I
said,
didn't mention.
and it says to the Devil's Island. And
Oh.
Devil's Island, I believe, was a prison.
Exactly.
Yeah, it is actually perfect for him to open. All right, we're gonna say bye to the world. Bye, world.
Bye, world.
Bye.